How to import MOGRT files in Premiere Pro. Hello Premiere Pro users, want to add stylish motion graphics to your videos? Let's explore how to import MOGRT, which are motion graphics template files, into Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. Start by obtaining the MOGRT file you want to use. You can download MOGRT files from various sources online or create your own using Adobe After Effects. In Premiere Pro, navigate to the window menu and select Essential Graphics to open the Essential Graphics panel. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on the Browse button, folder icon to navigate to the location of the MOGRT file on your computer. Select the MOGRT file and click Open to import it into Premiere Pro. Once imported, the file will appear in the Essential Graphics panel. You can now customize the text, colors, and other properties of the motion graphics template directly in Premiere Pro. To use the MOGRT file in your project, simply drag and drop it from the Essential Graphics panel onto the timeline at the desired position. Resize and reposition the file clip on the timeline as needed. You can also adjust the duration by trimming the video or stretching it on the timeline. Preview the video to see how the motion graphics look in context. Make any necessary adjustments to the properties of the file in the Essential Graphics panel to achieve the desired result. Once you're satisfied with the integration, proceed to export your video as usual. Fantastic! You've successfully imported and customized a MOGRT file in Premiere Pro. Adding stylish motion graphics to your videos with ease. Keep exploring the world of motion graphics templates to elevate your video projects. Happy editing, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.